Checklist email marketing, email marketing checklist. Email marketing refers to a kind of marketing that ensure customers on your email list are aware about your new products, discounts, and other services. It is a softer sell that educates your audience on the value of your brand and keeps them engaged between purchases. However, it can mean anything in between. Email marketing checklist and checklist email marketing can be your ticket to a successful campaign. Dodgy design, vague CTAs, broken links, and wrong recipients make your email marketing campaign a non-starter. A lot might go wrong in your email. Hence, jumping into a campaign with no clear strategy would lead to costly errors. This is why email marketing checklist becomes important. 8-point email marketing checklist is your ticket to a campaign success. Clean up your contacts. A successful email marketing campaign starts with a list. For this reason, it should be the first thing on your checklist for the campaign as well. For your email list, quality becomes important than quantity, since there's no need to send out a mass campaign that will go straight into the recipient's trash or junk mail. Begin by cleaning up those contacts you should not send, such as non-opt-in contacts or those people who have not agreed explicitly to receive your marketing emails. Additionally, do away with invalid email addresses, often because of typos. Removing invalid addresses will save you wasted email sends and aid deliverability. People who have not chosen to hear from you would most likely unsubscribe or mark your email as spam. It harms your sender reputation, as does the high rate of bounced emails. Prime your list. Once you have established whom you're not sending to, you can decide on targets and how to attain them. Effective campaigns often tailor your content to different subscribers or segments. It improves on your click-through rate because your email will be more relevant to the reader. As such, an email marketing tool with features such as contact segmentation makes life easier. Define your goal. After you have decided on your target audience, the question that follows is what value they will get by associating with your brand. Could be special offers and solutions to the problem they currently face. You need to pack your email with value and ask your reader to do what you require of them. This is referred to as call to action, CTA. By offering multiple options, you up your chances of clicks, but you risk overwhelming your subscribers, something that might make them switch off for good. For this reason, maximize your rate of conversion and put your CTA center and front while making sure all links and buttons lead to that particular aim. Perfect your copy. Next, you need to up your email checklist and content. The key to an effective copy of email is to keep it simple and short. Do not work with long sentences and complicated terminologies. Ensure your text can be read easily. This can be achieved using headings, lists, and paragraphs. Simple does not mean soulless. The tone of an email is based on your brand, but the best email copy should always be personal. An easy way of adding character is a well-placed emoji. Your focus should be the reader and not your organization. It is even better to address your reader using their names when your email marketing tool contains personalization features. Follow design best practices. Catch the eye of your audience through an appealing design. You can use a newsletter layout to draw your CTA attention and maximize on your clicks. Again, images can make your email more appealing. Your design should resemble a smaller screen on your mobile device, and the easiest way of doing this is starting from the responsive HTML email template. You may even realize that your email marketing services come with a ready-to-use and free template. Adapt your chosen template to fit your brand's fonts, colors, and logo. Package the email for opens. Upon perfecting your email design and content, you would want to ensure your subscribers go ahead to open it. To get the best impression, ensure your QA checklist contains the email subject line, preview text, and email sender. Following the best practices, especially for the 3 elements, will significantly boost the open rate for your campaign. QA your final email. When your campaign is ready, you should audit the email while proofreading for possible mistakes. Some of the key things that you should double check before sending the email include spelling typos and grammar errors, incorrect or broken links, and personalized content. You need to preview your campaign, particularly the emailing platform. You may want to send a test email. It is the right time to check how the email looks on devices such as tablets, mobile, and desktops, as email clients such as Outlook, Gmail, and iOS Mail. Hit send on your campaign. Not that fast, wait a bit. Timing is everything in email marketing. Think carefully on when subscribers ought to receive your message. When platforms would allow you to schedule the email at a time and even day of your choice. There are many factors that would impact on your ideal email send time. Some factors include whether subscribers are consumers or businesses and their time zones. What can work for a particular person might not work for the other person. It would be better if you send time optimization tools tailored for each recipient. There is nothing good in an email list if you lack proper knowledge in formatting an email. If you intend to build an engaging email list, show off professionalism in your emails. People will not consider you serious if your emails do not reflect such. Learn how to format your email and customize the email templates so that they could get into your branding. You should learn to write like a professional. Consequently, learn more about spam folders and how to avoid them. The words you have chosen as subject lines might cause email spam filters to assume your campaign is fake or spam.